Hello everyone, here's a full guide what to pack and what to wear in India as a female traveler. It's gonna be my first time in India. I visited Varanasi, Lucknow, Agra, Goa. So I already learned my mistakes at that times, and this time will be a little bit different. And also I'm planning to go to Himalayas and to Rajasthan. So this is my entire stuff I'm gonna take with me. First one, it's essentials, it's a cotton clothes. I think this outfit is a basic one, so you really need light cotton pants, light long sleeves shirt, and many crop tops. You're gonna switch and play with different outfits. So for example, this cotton edition beige style, and for this outfit I also have brown t-shirt and black tops. So as basic, I feel you need this beige trousers for another weather, another condition. Also cotton, very light shorts, and this long leggings. And then you combine with different style. All my shorts are with long sleeves because it's too hot and too sunny during the daytime. And you just feel more comfortable to cover yourself always, all the time. So I have this cover up, and then all black edition. The most cities you gonna visit gonna be hot weather for sure. So it's better to have this kind of underwear, which is very lightweight and easy to dress. For example, normally I would go with these tops, right? Just normal crop top for fitness, but because you are sweating all the time, it's better to have this classic. And then on top of it, I have so many different crop tops. This is my favorite one because it has a zip, so you can open up when you're in the cafe and then you close it when you go out. Just normal long black t-shirt, one more top, one more black one, black panties, and all of this combines with this skirt. It's mostly for Goa, for Kerala, for hostel, and all of this also fits with the pants. And of course it's a black short with long sleeves. So I have beige one and black one, and it's all I need, I think. So if I go just with this, with shorts, I'm already good to go, right? I like to pack to this Shein bags by the style. So for example, here I'm packing this skirt and all my black tops, and I remember it's here. Also, most of these items, it's from Shein. It's what I ordered now for this trip. And some items I carry with me all the time because are my essentials for any weather, for any weather condition. So if we continue with the heat, what I recommend is to always have with you in your backpack, in your small bag, something like this, some light cover-ups, and also trousers cover-ups. So for example, in some states and some occasions you can wear this middle size leggings, right? But you wear this leggings, then you see beautiful temple and you wanna come in, so you just put this long pants on and you cover yourself. You can enter to any temple, to any house, and it's perfect because it's so small. It can fit to any bag. This one I bought in Uzbekistan, and this like silk material, you see. So what about my bags? It's very important. This time I ordered 3 different bags. In total I have, I think, 5 but because I need to put my camera, my phone and a bottle of water, so I have this brown bag for any color, for black color is okay, and for brown one, and for beige. For total black outfit, I ordered this small bag. It has enough space, again, for my camera, for phone, and for bottle of water. The same as this one. I think it's my favorite. All of this very lightweight. It's from Shein. It's amazing. I think it's like $5 so $15 for entire combo of bags for any color, any outfit you have. And of course, one shopping bag if you shop something or if you wanna carry more clothes. So just this, which you put inside of your purse. What I love to wear in Goa and in mountains, I think it's okay. It's all these leggings and fitness edition, because I go to the gym, so I need to have it. And then I use it everywhere I go. Sometimes it can be too short maybe, but you will see if in this particular city you can't really feel comfortable, so don't wear it. And if it feels okay, you can go hiking. And also in very conservative occasions, you can use it as a swimsuit. For example, this combo, this combo of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 different outfits. It's just 1.5 kilos. So it's pretty good, I think, because it's different colors and I combine it so many ways. I see many girls recommend to wear long skirts, long dresses. Of course, for pictures it's good, but to go around the city during the day, I don't feel good and comfortable in really long dresses. But I have, I think, this perfect one to combine with cover up and to decorate with some accessories. And it's perfect color for any landscape, for any picture. Then for Goa only, I have my white bag with some white pieces. Actually, in Goa, you can wear whatever you want. The entire landscape, it's kind of this color in Goa because it's such an orange sand. So you really good in a beige, but also you can wear any bright pieces. Nobody cares there. So in Goa, you can express yourself. Me personally, I always stay in Arambol, and Arambolian sunset is a time to express yourself. I think the same as a Burning Man. So of course some swimsuits, and as a cover up I have this synthetic dress. I didn't know it's gonna be synthetic, not a cotton one, but it's good because it can be dry very quick. So I use it for the beach. And also I packed a lot of other bikinis and cover-ups to this vacuum bag. So I think it's 3 kilos, 3.5, and I don't really need all of this, but because I'm gonna to stay during 1-2 months in Goa, so I packed it. For Goa and for big cities, the New Delhi, you may need some party dress. So I have 3. This party dress, just black one and white one, because there are many white parties, you know. Just in case, 3 party dresses, especially for New Year. So yes, I like to use this light to make the ambient in a hotel room or in house I rent in Goa. And for my YouTube live streams, please join the channel to see when I'm live streaming. I'm planning to do it more often when I'm in India. And these things I use to dance in Arambol beach. It's called poi, so the same, this thing. Yeah, actually it's not that easy to buy it inside India. You can order in Amazon, but it's more expensive than, for example, in Vietnam. I bought it here in Vietnam. and total weight of all these lights, it's 400 grams. So it's pretty cool to have this ambient with you all the time. The hat, some sunglasses. I don't really need it's jeans because it's very heavy and I almost never wear it except when I go with a motorbike from Arambol to Vagator, for example, during the night. This time I bought the gloves for motorbike to protect my hands. These jeans shorts as well. I think it's too heavy and not necessary for the outfits in India in general. And if we go for Himalayas to the north, this time I want to visit Dharamsala and maybe Rishikesh, probably I will need my essential pack of layers. Actually, this is my favorite. This is I wear in any country, in South Korea, in Uzbekistan, so this all I need for cold weather. If it's middle cold, if it's just fresh, I go with this. Then t-shirt, and then if it's more cold, I wear another short, right? So this one. Then if it's colder, if it's mountains, I have this wool pants, one hoodie. I just have this one hoodie because, yeah, if it's windy, I have to cover my head. And also this, and then the wind protection. So this pack, it's heavy, but it's very essential. And also I have an entire coat. If I decide to go to New Delhi or Kathmandu or Kazakhstan, I need this winter coat. And here are all shoes I have and carry with me all the time. First one are sneakers I wear for fitness and with all my beige outfits. They are the heaviest ones. Well, I didn't know when I ordered it, but I like how they look and how they protect me on the motorbike, during hiking. Light variation of beige style. It's these flip-flops. They are very light and comfortable, so I wear them with dress, with pants, in a hostel. Instead of flip-flops, I use Crocs everywhere. It's so amazing, so comfortable. Before, I didn't like the design and I never used Crocs, but in Vietnam it's so popular, so I bought these fake ones and my friend gave me these ones because she had obviously two pair, so she gifted to me. And everyone asked, oh, why you have different color of Crocs? So it's pretty cool and very useful and light. I can wear them everywhere, truly. And of course, black shoes. We cover it for, I don't know, rainy day or to go to restaurants, to nightclub, whatever. And these ones for everyday use with my black outfit. Actually, this style my favorite ever. What I love is a platform because you prefer to be higher than all this dust. Not that clean streets, it's better to wear the platform. It's pretty light, not that heavy, and very comfortable and also very stylish for any city and for Goa beach. Подходит ли мне Бали стайл? Давай сравним, где я и где Бали.
Где ты, где Бали?
Ребят, напишите в комментариях.
Ну, мне кажется, у тебя сейчас не Бали стайл.
У меня не Бали, у меня узбек. Узбекистан стайл. Срочно нужно переодеться.
Мне кажется, в таких жарко, Тань, что думаешь?
Ну да.
Я вот, конечно, смотрю, но мне вот в комбезе жарко.
Вот ты сейчас, вот у тебя такой стиль, такие цвета прям сейчас.
Гляну, ну что какие-то.
Украшения, картины. Тоже.
Вот я люблю такие платья, а-ля мешочек подрезали.
Прям к панамке.
Кстати, да, к панамке. Это, смотри, двойная майка. Нет, это уже слишком.
Двойная майка.
Вот такой бы топик я взяла. Вот чисто вот такой топик. Это мой стиль. А это надо сразу две вместе надевать. Ну, покупать.